What's going on, beasts, and welcome to day 6 of our Fitmas series. Today we're looking at the workout that you guys voted in, 666. Yes, it is a pun intended. 6 rounds, 6 devil's press, 60 double unders, lots of sixes. Let's get into it. So this workout is going to be an all-out sprint, 22.5 or 15 kilo dumbbell, and we're looking at trying to go unbroken for both the devil's press and the double unders. It's back to back to back. It's going to be fast, it's going to be painful, and you're going to be in hell as far as it goes. A couple of things about this workout that I really want to take into consideration. Firstly, if the weight is too heavy for you to maintain it unbroken, go lighter. Leave your ego at the door. Let's attack it with a lighter dumbbell. Secondly, if you cannot double under that well, I do have a double under series video that will help you out. Otherwise, if there's just no chance to get 60 double unders in one set, 60 regular skips will do. Give this one a go, comment down below your scores, like the video, and as always, I'll see you guys on day 7, which is going to be another lift. I hope you guys stay a boost.